Somewhere just across the Jordan River is a place of everlasting joy and peace, where the tree of life is blooming there forever, and a crown of life is waiting there for me. That sounds like home to me, like where I long to be. There'll be no tears to fill my eyes again. The hills will echo with a story as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God